All right, I'm finished cutting 45 pieces of 11-inch by it's by 3/8 inch thick metal tubing. I cut 45 pieces out of 4 tubes. So here's my setup that I used. I use this winch with a remote to go up and down. This swivel I got last night. It made a significant difference. The ball bearing swivel very easily lets this rotate. Without it, I was getting some twist on the rope, and so the ending of the cut was, up to an 1/8 inch taller than the beginning of the cut. So that eliminated that and made a significant difference in how easy it was to cut. This is simply just a ring. I was using it as a guide when I first started out, but now I just use it as a handle to help rotate the piece. I've got the torch just mounted. Measured up from the floor is 4 inches, which is how tall I needed it. Got this shield on it because the constant use was burning through that. This is just held on with 2 zip ties and a piece of foam on the back. Held that really good. Using the Amazon Cut 55, set at 50 amps. You can see the pressure there, and it did a great job. The last few cuts that I made, you can see they're still really hot, but these edges are just amazing. It did a fantastic job. Nice, clean, straight cuts. The ones at the beginning, I used a different method. I was rotating them on these casters. It worked okay, but as the pipe got shorter, it would tilt and it just created issues. So I ended up not using that. So the very first ones were good, nice, clean cuts. Then it got kind of jagged, and it cut fine, but adding that swivel cleaned up the cut just like significantly. So I'd recommend that swivel. So for my purposes, these cuts are all fine. They don't have to be super precise. It's going to work great. So that's it.